You got to quickly adapt to your new role with passion. Identify yourself with your men. Remember, you do not accept them, they accept you. They will know your name. You not only need to know their names, but also their hopes, fears, and capabilities. No one wins on his own. Teams win battles. If you win the trust and affection of your men, they will win battles for you. Be receptive to their advice and accept constructive criticism. You will be surprised by their wealth of knowledge and intrigued by their rich experience. Gentlemen, you are all poised to don the mantle of a leader. The choices you make will define your leadership style. Army needs agile, adaptive leaders who are able to address a spectrum of conflicts ranging from high-intensity combat, counter-terrorism, insurgency, low-intensity conflicts in peacetime, peacekeeping, humanitarian intervention, and training. All of these will demand rapid response with decisions to be made in unprecedented tactical and operational situations. You will be required to retain the ability to lead the troops while being at ease with technology. Gentlemen, the dynamics of combat is rapidly changing. Disruptive technologies have added new domains of cyber and space. Use of drones, standoff attacks beyond visual range, cyber and biological capabilities are some of the examples. You would be at the forefront to encounter such threats. Technical prowess, mental agility, critical thinking, and swift response are key to success. You got to condition yourself and troops under your command for these dynamic combat challenges. During your stay at this academy, you have been trained in various aspects of leadership. While you will continue to receive further training in your units and formations, you will have to do a great deal of self-study to enhance your capabilities, to accomplish the assigned missions. Always continue the quest for excellence. When faced with difficult choices, have the courage of conviction to select the harder right. Now, addressing the gentlemen cadets of Technical Entry Scheme Course Serial 444, let me urge you to put in your best during the technical training leg that awaits you at the respective cadet training wings. Completion of the training here was the first step. Keep up your drive and perseverance towards achieving technical skills that adds to both organizational expectations and your personal aspirations. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate gentlemen cadets from our friendly foreign countries getting commissioned today from the portals of this premier institution. We are certain that you do your country proud and the bond developed here will remain for lifeline. I wish you success in all your future endeavors. To sum up, I once again compliment each one of you for your illustrious efforts. I feel privileged to set you off on a journey to make our nation and the alma mater proud. Godspeed, Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your golden words of guidance, appreciation, insight, and inspiration that is a source of strength to one and all present here, and especially the passing out courses. Ladies and gentlemen, the passing out gentlemen cadets will soon take the formal leave of this institution. Shortly, the band will play the soulful melody, Auld Lang Syne, which will orchestrate the slow march leading to the Antim Pag.
The championship banner is now being handed over by the senior under officer Rupesh Kumar of Gurez Company, the champion company of this term, to the representative of junior course, Gentleman Cadet Ankush Kumar, which is symbolic and will serve as an inspiration for the junior course to emulate their seniors in the coming term.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the gentlemen cadets, the day has come to say goodbye to their alma mater, which has been their home for many months. The passing out gentlemen cadets will shortly come forward in slow march past the saluting dais, taking their final step.
Appointment! Minimize Chiligoff! Denivat! Move! Appointment! Denivat Goff! Denivat Sip! Take jump! Break! Minimize Chiligoff! Denivat! Move! Surprise, gentlemen cadet! Che map! Bari bari sip! धीरे चाल से अंतिम पग से गुजरेगा ब्रेक डैनी बाय गो डैनी बाय से धीरे चल
Should all acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind, should all acquaintance be forgot and days of Auld Lang Syne. This melodious tune of Auld Lang Syne, the lyrics of which were composed by Robert Burns, has never failed to bring back memories to many minds, nostalgia to many hearts, and tears to many eyes.
Ladies and gentlemen, take your attention to the front. You will see the aircrafts of one in-depth recce and observation approaching in arrowhead formation, led by Lieutenant Colonel Sarvesh Sharma, Major M.K. Mishra and Major Avinash Kumar. The first aircraft would sharp petals on the passing out course as they move towards the Antim Pug. The rest of the two aircrafts would sharp petals on the rest of the contingents on this auspicious occasion of the passing out parade of Technical Entry Scheme Course 38 and Special Commission Officers Course 47.
And here we put voice to the silent prayer of all proud parents and guardians of the passing out course seated for the occasion. This is the prayer I say tonight. It is for my loved one who must fight. This prayer is not for this one alone, but for all the military far from home. I ask you to keep them safe and sound on their way to where they are rebound. We love those that are asked to fight, so keep them safe for us tonight. So keep them safe for us tonight.
भविष्य में इन बहादुर अधिकारियों को कड़ी चुनौतियों का सामना करना होगा। इन सैनिकों के लिए यह बदलाव मात्र जेंटलमैन कैडेट से अधिकारी बनने तक का ही नहीं, बल्कि हर कदम, हर मोड़ पर अपने सैनिकों को अपने अदम्य साहस से प्रोत्साहित करना है।
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly look towards the right of the parade ground. You can see one in-depth recce observation fly past carrying the Indian tricolor, flag of the Indian Army and flag of the Officers Training Academy, Gaya.
जिस प्रकार हर शुरुआत का अंत निश्चित है, उसी प्रकार इस ऐतिहासिक पासिंग आउट परेड का अंत दंडपाल की सलामी के साथ होता है। अब आज के परेड के समीक्षा अधिकारी आगंतुक हस्ताक्षर पुस्तिका में अपने हस्ताक्षर करेंगे। यहाँ मौजूद अतिथिगण एवं जेंटलमैन कैडेट के अभिभावकों से अनुरोध है कि वे अपने स्थान पर बने रहें।
Ladies and gentlemen, we, Captain Bopana, Gentleman Cadet Abhinav Mehrotra, Gentleman Cadet Harshvardhan Gupta, and Mrs. Bhavna Khatri, thank you all for being a part of mesmerizing passing out parade. Thank you, Dhanyavad, and Jai Hind.
Ladies and gentlemen, all are requested to remain seated, please. Ladies and gentlemen, I repeat, all are requested to remain seated, please.
ईपी में आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।